What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now, if you saw in the title, I have some amazingly exciting news I couldn't wait to share with you guys. That's right, I have factory ordered a brand new CLA45s. So if you haven't seen it already, check out my video where I did my first ever drive in the CLA45s and I absolutely loved it. I wasn't expecting it to be nearly as good as it was. It blew me away. I just loved it so much that I had to order one. It's just such a phenomenal car. The engine is amazing. I mean, yes, it's a 4-cylinder and yes, it's not as loud as the previous generation, but the engine is absolutely masterful once you get behind the wheel and actually experience it yourself. I just can't describe it in words. You've got to drive one. So you're probably asking, what does this mean for the channel? Well, I'll tell you guys. So the C43 is obviously my absolute dream car. I love this car all the way. It is the original ABAUTO car and I'm still going to be making C43 content because I love this car. So if you love the C43 or you're a C43 owner, don't worry, C43 content will continue. But of course, I've got some really exciting, amazing CLA45s content to do. I mean, it's a brand new car. It's the first time I've ever factory ordered a car. I'm so excited. The process is just, yeah, I want to take you guys through the whole process. You know, I want to vlog it all. I want you to really feel like you're a part of this because it's such a special moment and it's a bit of a rare car at the moment. And I think it's a really popular car because it just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got the new AMG engine. It's got MBUX. The content is going to be insane. I'm going to make so much awesome content with this car, I hope. And I really hope you guys are going to tune in and enjoy it. The spec is insane as well. You know, I went for an insane spec. I thought I'm just going to go all out because this is for you guys. I want to be able to make videos about all the options. You know, I want to make the best content possible. And I bought this car because it's for YouTube. I love making videos and I absolutely love my subscribers. And I really hope you enjoy this car. So about the insane spec, well, so next video, I'm actually going to do a build video. I'm going to open up the Mercedes configurator. This is where you choose your car and you spec all the options. I'm going to do a video and we're going to build the car together. So I'm going to show you the exact spec. Then after that, we're going to look at the delivery date. We're going to see if we can get a delivery date from the production. I'm going to reveal that to you guys. Then I want to do a video, a really transparent video, explain to you guys exactly how much the CLA45s cost. You know, I want to tell you about the monthly payments, the finance agreement I did. You know, people were always really interested in that. I mean, I certainly was back when I researched cars before I buy them. I'm always looking at YouTubers that are really transparent. I mean, Autovlog's a good one. I don't know if you follow him. I mean, I've followed him for years. He's a bit of an inspiration for me, actually. Then, of course, we're going to be doing a really epic video when I collect the car. I want you guys to be all the way part of the process. I want you to feel like, I want you to know what it's like to go and pick up one of these crazy AMGs. So we're going to do a really good film. I've already cleared it with Mercedes, who I'm picking it up from. They're totally happy for me to film it all. They actually loved the channel. I shared it with them, so that was really good. First time I've shared it with Mercedes. So hopefully in the future, I can do some more collaborations with Mercedes. But yeah, so we're going to film the whole collection. I might even get Amelia involved, bless her, because she's going to be really excited too. Remember guys, I'm just a dad with a dream. You know, I'm just a normal guy like you guys. I'm not like rich or anything like that. I just work really hard. I put all the hours in, and cars for me are just such an inspiration for hard work. And there's nothing more exciting than just picking up a brand new car. And you know, this is an absolute dream for me. I finally got to that part in my life where I can sort of, all the hard work I've done for the past 10 years, I'm really kind of feeling the rewards now. So and you know, a huge thank you for you guys on the YouTube channel, because financially this has helped as well, because YouTube is just incredible. Sorry, I'm so excited. I'm just rambling on because this car, I'm just so excited about it. I've watched every YouTube video on this car, and to be honest, there's not actually that many. So I think we've got a good little hole that we can fill. I've been watching the non-English videos. I haven't got a clue what they're talking about, but I just see the gorgeous CLA in the background. And I'm just like, yep, that's going to be mine soon. But yeah, as you can tell, I am just incredibly excited. One of the other things I really want to do is like a 7-day vlog. So I might vlog the whole process. So obviously day one, I collect the car, and then I might do a daily vlog for a week. So day 2 of the car, you know, setting up all the little dials and MBUX, first drive, first night drive. Oh, there's so much we can do. But I love the idea of doing like a 7-day vlog, so you can see the whole process of me picking up the car and sort of learning all the features and just kind of getting used to it. Even if it's something trivial like adjusting my seat, I just know that you guys will love this stuff because I love it. And I always say to people about my YouTubers that I'm my own audience because I make the content that I love. And that's why I try to kind of not pad things out, and I just kind of just go with it and just keep going. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm super excited. I'm rambling on. So yes, the CLA45s is coming really soon. So keep an eye out and subscribe if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss this. It's going to be absolutely insane. I cannot wait. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to share the CLA45s with you.